In this video, you will explore how to use the getKeyByIndex keyword to instruct the Avo Assure client to fetch the key value of an item present on the drop-down list within the SAP application based on its index number. Begin by adding the first test step by selecting airlines_dropdown from the element name dropdown and getKeyByIndex from the descriptive keyword dropdown. Once done, enter the input value as 3 and the output value as result in curly brackets. Add one more test step and select it generic as the element name and display variable value as the descriptive keyword. Once done, enter the input value as result in curly brackets. Please note that the input value for the second step is the same as the output value for the first step. Save the designed test steps and debug them. As the designed test steps debug, you will witness that Avo Assure Client automates fetching the key value of an item present on the drop-down list within the SAP application based on its index number.